Hey Brian, or should I say Brienne? There's been some awesome trash talk videos out there. Yeah, so I've got your logo on it, mate. Had to play with a scroll saw. Just old summer woodworking. You guys rock. Thank you. Flat roofs cut out of little bits of cedar I had in the shed there. This is silver birch. I'm lucky enough to have a silver birch tree growing in my front yard there, so I just cut some of the branches off and cut them down. Yeah, half round logs in that little rustic balcony. Looks like something Izzy Swan would come up with. Yeah, roof comes off. Access to the eggs. I'm going to get some straw. And put it on there just for a laying bed for them. And all this crap's just some chicken food to entice them up in there. That little brown one went up in there. It was quite cool. The roof just locates on here like that. It needs to be this big sort of for the blue Orpington chickens we've got. They're huge, they're really quite big. And I sort of rang the SPCA and they said as long as the chicken can turn around comfortably inside the house. Yeah. So these slides that are coming up are the how-to on how I built them. So yeah, have a good one. I had a lot of fun. All the best to the entries and good on you, Brienne. It was a mean competition. Enjoyed it. My chickens wouldn't have such a flash house without this competition. Okay, catch up.